multiplying radicals. Radicals of the same order. Use the property nth root of AB is equal to the nth root of A times nth root of B, then simplify by removing the perfect nth powers from the radicand. Example: the square root of 3r squared s cubed t raised to 5 times the square root of 12r cubed s squared t is equal to 3 times 12, we have 36. R squared times R cubed, we have R raised to 5. Because of 2 plus 3, we'll have 5. Then, S cubed times S squared, we have S raised to 5. Then, T raised to 5 times T, we have T raised to 6. Then, we will have to find the prime factors of 36. Then, it is equal to the square root of 6 squared times r squared raised to 2. And the remaining or the excess 1, we'll have to put it on another radical sign, which are the non-perfect root. Then, s squared raised to 2, t cubed raised to 2. Then, yung sobrang s din, ilagay din natin dun sa kabilang radical sign kasi nga 5 yung s natin. Meron lang tayong 4 sa unang radical sign. Then, t cubed raised to 2, meron tayong eksaktong 6. So, hindi na natin kailangan lagyan sa kabilang radical sign o sa kabilang radicand. Is equal now to get the perfect root of the first radicand. Then, magiging 6r squared s squared t cubed square root of rs. Binomials involving radicals. Use the property for the product of two binomials. So, kailangan natin yung perfect nth powers from the radicand or combining like terms or like radicals. For example, the quantity square root of 2 plus square root of 7 times the quantity square root of 8 minus square root of 6. So, multiply natin gamit ang FOIL method. Square root of 2 times square root of 8. Then, square root of 2 times negative square root of 6. Then, square root of 7 times square root of 8. Then, 7 times square root of 7 times square root of negative square root of 6. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Then, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Then, 7 times 8 is 56. Then, 7 times 6 is 42. Then, prime factors ng 16 is 4 squared minus 2 squared times 3 plus square root of 2 squared times 14 minus square root of 42. Then, simplify natin. We have 4 minus 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 14 minus square root of 42. Radicals of different orders. Express them as the same order. For example, the fourth root of 4 times cube root of 2. So, kunin natin yung prime factors of 4, which is 2 squared times the cube root of 2. Then, gawin nating rational exponents from radical to rational. So, 2 raised to 2 fourth times 2 raised to 1 third. Then, 2 raised to 2 fourth plus 1 third. Kunin natin yung LCD since magkaiba sila ng denominator. So, we have now 2 raised to 5 over 6. Kasi we have now 12 divided by 4 times 2, then 12 divided by 3 times 1. We have to add, then it is simplified to 5 over 6. Then transform na naman natin sa radical form. We have the 6th root of the square root of 32. The 6th root of 32 ay